Hi, I'm Vicki Norris, organizing expert of Restoring Order. You know, the more time we spend at home, the more we're realizing that the kitchen really is the hub of the home, and it most easily succumbs to clutter because we're using it all day long, and we're constantly passing through it. So today I have 4 habits to help you keep your kitchen organized. Okay, let's start with the most important habit to create: morning caffeination. It's time to gather all of your barista supplies in one area and create your very own caffeination station. You can see here that I have a tray where I have my electric kettle, my coffee grinder, and my foamer. You're also going to need some cabinet space for your mugs and some drawers for your supplies. We have 3 drawers for this purpose. The first is herbal teas. The next one is for coffee supplies and coffee alternatives. And then finally, the last drawer is for black tea, my favorite, because where there is tea, there is hope. Okay, now for a tactical tip. Sharing responsibilities in meal preparation makes everything so much easier. Here's how it works in our home. I'm in charge of most of the grocery shopping, except for bulk purchases. Trevor is in charge of pretty much all of the cooking, and I am his sous chef. Partner up so the feeding duties don't all land on one person in the family. Okay, you will love this habit because instead of official meal planning or lots of forethought, you can just prep ahead a little bit. So one example of this is I like to make overnight oats. I put cold ingredients together and then I transfer it to jars and throw it in the fridge. It takes like 5 minutes and I have a delicious breakfast waiting for me in the morning. The recipe's on my related blog. Another thing we do is we expand one meal to produce a couple meals. So if we have quinoa for dinner, we save some for breakfast quinoa in the morning. We make an extra portion of potatoes so we can have a country scramble with our eggs in the morning. So as you can see, this is much less intimidating to just prep forward than overwhelming meal planning. Finally, after 21 years of organizing people's homes, I can tell you that the most important habit to create in your kitchen is cleanup. You've got to assign kitchen patrol. In our family, we all clean up, especially me, but our boys handle all of the dinner cleanup. So here are some ideas. You can assign one person this duty, especially if there's someone who really loves that in your home. You can rotate the duty, or I really like this idea. Choose one person for each meal. One person is breakfast cleanup, one is lunch, and one is dinner. I hope you've enjoyed these ideas to starting good habits to maintain kitchen order. You can find all of these ideas on my related blog, Habits to Keep the Family Kitchen Organized, at restoringorder.com. Here is to reclaiming your life. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also visit us at restoringorder.com for more organizing and life reclamation ideas.